Dear students, detailed civil engineering courses like Manual Building Design, Stat Pro, ETABS, SAP, Revit, AutoCAD, Primavera, P6 are available at Civil Engineering Shravan online application app. So download the application from the Google Play Store now. Each course contains 50 plus high quality video contents and free PDFs and exercises, and online certification will be provided after completing the course. Course will be available at 67 to 70% discount now and valid up to 6 months. Download civil engineering application now from Google Play Store, or direct link is available at the description of this video. Try to utilize this offer.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Civil Engineering by Shravan. And if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates on civil engineering topics. In this video, I will cover you the complete details about the course which I am launching on the Monday, Revit Architectural Software details and offer I am providing for that particular course, and in the same process I will explain you the 48 hours offer which I am providing. Currently it is running now, so you can see the in application Civil Engineering by Shravan application, so that you can able to see the complete discount on the STAD, ETABS, SAP 2000 and combo pack as well as the 3-in-1 pack which is available in application. So firstly we will start with Revit Architectural Software. On Monday by 10 AM I am starting Revit Architectural Software in our application. Some of the people will know about this particular application. Why? Because I was posted in the community tab, and in the same process I was given in the application also about the complete course details regarding the Revit Architectural Software. And this Revit Architectural Software is consisting of approximately 15 to 18 modules. In that it will be consisting of complete process of selection of the units and complete process of drawing of the walls, drawing of the windows, and complete creation of the interior section, painting section, rendering section, elevation designs, and how to draw the plans and how to take the rendering view of the diagrams and how to take the walkthrough for that particular project and how to create the elevation sections, section views, and in the same process and some of the content which is related to the complete walkthrough, how to create the real-time output image and some of the interior designs which is comes under this particular course. The course will be in offer from the Monday. So for the students, those who are really want to learn the complete Revit Architectural Software, this is the right time for you. And this course offer I am especially providing for the early come students. So you may see that particular details about the early come students offer which I am providing in the thumbnail also. So for the first 10 people who are registered to that particular course from the 1 to 10 people, so you can purchase the course for 1499 rupees. For those 10 people, I will provide complete Revit Architectural Software course for the 1 year validity. Okay, this is the first 10 members offer, and for the second 10 members offer, I will provide the particular course for 1599 rupees with 10 months validity. Okay, this is the second one which I am providing, and for the third people which is comes under 1799 rupees with 8 months validity for the people those who are comes under 21 to 30 people. And for the remaining people I am providing the 6 months validity course which is of Revit Architectural Software course with 2000 rupees fee. So that's why I am suggesting you to purchase the course as soon as possible which is related to the Revit Architectural Software, which is available from the Monday 10 AM. Okay, so 10 AM is the sharp time I will post. So if possible I will try to release that particular course in between 9 to 10. You can see that complete details will be available in our application. You can download my application. The download link is available in the below description of this video, and you can see that in the community tab also I was posted the download link. So if you are using iOS device, you can use the Minds to tab for downloading the Civil Engineering by Shravan application. Okay, so this is the complete process about the which I offer, which I am providing for the people those who are comes under the first 10, second 10, third 10 and as well as the remaining students. For the first 10 people, the course will be available for 1500 rupees for you and with 1 year validity. For the second people, the course will be offer of 1599 rupees, which is consisting of the offer approximately of 10 months validity. And for the third people, 1799 rupees with 6 months validity. For the rest of the people will be of 6 months validity with 2000 rupees is the coupon course fees I am providing here. Okay, so in this way you can see the complete details about the course in the application Civil Engineering by Shravan. And one more thing, the people most of the people are asking me about the offer on the remaining courses also. So number of times I was provided this particular 80 to 82% discount for the STAD, ETABS and SAP, and 2-in-1 pack and 3-in-1 pack, which is available in our application. For the complete STAD Pro software, I was given complete details in the previous videos. You can watch the videos about the description, which is related to what are the content I am posting in that particular application regarding the STAD Pro software, ETABS software, SAP software. So 2-in-1 pack and 3-in-1 pack also. You can watch the complete details in the application. Okay, you can see. And for the people, those who are really want this extension of the existing software like structure analysis and designing software, STAD, ETABS and SAP, again 2-in-1 or 3-in-1 pack, just I am giving 2-day offer for you only. So why? Because most of the people are calling me to my personal number to extend that particular offer. So that's why I'm giving 2 days offer, 48 hours offer for the complete STAD Pro, ETABS as well as the SAP. 2-in-1 pack, which is the combination of STAD and ETABS, and 3-in-1 pack, which is the combination of STAD, ETABS and SAP. So please utilize this particular offer. This offer will be, I will planning to close this particular offer for this duration of 48 hours only. So in the future, if I am possible, I will give only 70% discount on this particular course offer only. Okay, if you are having the individual courses 1499, then in future it will be next time offer will be of 70%. You may need to pay extra 300 or 400 extra for getting the course. Okay, this is the right time for you. So only 2 days will be available, which is related to the 80 to 82% discount. And the people, those who are really want to the courses related to STAD, ETABS and SAP, you can purchase the course. And remember that Revit architectural software was releasing on Monday 10 AM sharp. So for the first 10 people will be having 1499 with 1 year validity. Second 10 people will be having 1599 with 10 months validity, and third will be of 1799 rupees with 8 months validity. For the remaining people, only 2000 rupees with 6 months validity. So thank you for watching my video. If you are new to our channel, please click on subscribe button and click on bell icon. Learn the complete civil engineering courses from our application, Civil Engineering by Shravan application. So if you have any queries about this video, please try to text me your questions in the below comment box, and you can download my application from the Google Play Store, and you can download my application from the iOS device also. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.